Is your email list suffering from low open rate disease? Worry no more. Here are some sweet pills to cure your email marketing which can almost double your open rate. How to be a great digital marketer. Hi guys, my name is Ishan and in this video I am going to tell you my 5 easy email marketing tricks that can help you to get your open rates. Also, I would love to share with my personal pro tip with you that can surely help you in increasing a highly engaging email campaign. Okay, so I hope you are ready. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And now, as we head straight to these awesome ways of increasing open rates, first I want to have a proper knowledge about what is open rate and why it is so necessary for the well-being of your online business. So, basically, open rate is simply the number of subscribers who open your email over your total subscriber on an average. That simply means to increase your open rate, you get to convince your subscribers to open your emails more often and not just open, but to make them read your content and click on the links provided in the email. Okay, and that's how you can actually say that your email campaign is working. And do I really need to say how important is it for your success of email campaign and for your entire business? I mean, like, how would you even generate sales if your subscriber do not even open your emails at all? And now tell me, what is the first thing that a receiver sees when he get your emails? Well, yes, that is the subject line. And there are the first step, that is pay attention to your subject line. Your subject line is the very first impression of your entire email on a reader, and your email open rate are hanging by the string of your subject line. Okay, so just writing a lame filler subject line without paying much attention to it is like cutting down your own conversions by yourself. Okay, and you don't want to do that, right? So I would actually suggest you to follow these things while formatting your subject lines. And the first and the foremost important thing is writing a catchy subject line that instantly grab the attention of your receivers. Secondly, make it personalized because it is even scientifically true that people tends to open those emails more often which actually got their name or any other personal reference in their subject line. And the third thing is make it relevant to your content of your email. Your subject line should be a glimpse of what you are going to give your audience in email. Okay, and then lastly, I will say use your creativity to full extent in writing your subject line. Even though a subject line is just a sentence of 6 to 10 words, but still you can actually do much more with it. So you can be a humorous or friendly, or like an old friend writing to them, or you can write a shocking line or build curiosity among your words so that your readers get an urge to open your email, and that's how you will be able to have better open rate. All right, the second tip to increase your open rate is warm up. Yes, just like you warm up your muscles before doing any heavy workout, you need to warm up your email list before you start sending your emails to your full sale. And do you know, if you just started sending emails in bulk and people do not open them, then their ESP, that is email service provider like Gmail, Hotmail, will start sending your emails to their spam box. Okay, and you don't want that to happen. Okay, so start out by sending a small amount of emails to warm up both the ESPs and your subscribers so that they get used to of your emails, and hence they can actually increase your open rate eventually. Now, next thing I want you to do in order to increase your open rate is scrub your email or scrub your email list basically. But what that even mean? Well, it is an email marketing strategy that is to be used to refine your email list by cutting it short. And I know it may sound like a bad idea, but hear me out. And if you want to have a better open rate, click through rate, or even a better conversions, you need to focus on quality rather than quantity. Okay, so by scrubbing your email list, you can remove those inactive subscribers who never open your email. Like what I usually follow is a 30 days. Like I send them emails daily, and if they do not open my emails for the straight 30 days, I just remove them. Okay, because maybe they are not interested in your offer or maybe your product or even in your niche at all. So what the point of spending your efforts on them basically, right? So sometimes a certain percent of email don't even reach to their destination, and that's maybe because of incorrect addresses. Okay, so if your list contain anything like that, just remove it as soon as possible. This way maybe you will have a shorter email list, but it will be more engaging, and so your open rate will automatically go up. Okay, and also it will actually save some pennies on your autoresponder. Okay, now let's move on, and the next tip I have for you is segment your email list. Segmenting email list is another great strategy of email marketing. You can use this strategy to not to just make more targeted emails but also to increase your open rate. Let me tell you how. If you segment your list, you can send a different campaigns to different segments of your list, and you can write a more relevant subject line which increase the chance of your emails to be clicked open. And lastly, I have another great tip for you that you can surely need to keep in mind to increase your open rate and stop your email from going into spam, and that is, do not send too many emails. I know you want to promote all your offers or want to build a bond with your subscribers quickly, but sending too many emails won't really help you, and in fact it can annoy your subscribers or lead your emails to spam, or even worse, they may unsubscribe you from your list. So try not to get overwhelmed and only send a moderate amount of emails. Like according to a study, 25% of B2B marketers say like 10 to 14 emails per day is ideal, but it can totally depend on your niche, a type of your target audience, and your list size, that how many emails you should send. So it is better to have some knowledge about your niche. Okay, and now we have come to the end of this video, but before I end, as I promised, I would love to share my personal pro tip with you, which always works for your email campaign. And that pro tip is to build so powerful and interesting email content that after opening once your reader wait for your next email, or that strategy is known as looping. Try to write such interesting content for your email that hook your subscribers, and to do that you can try telling a story that relate to your audience. Maybe like try making a series that always works awesome, because you can leave your readers on a cliffhanger at the end of your email, so that they may eagerly wait for the next one to come, and this will surely boost your open rate, your click rate, and engagement, and your sales. Hopefully these tips will work for you in the same way they did for me. Please do tell me in the comment section what do you really think about these tips. At last, and if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group. Okay, link is already mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in this group, and looking forward to you in our next video. So see you, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.